I'm super excited to be here to talk to you about AI Maestro. My name's David Tan. I've been doing AI development in various capacities for a couple decades, and I'm super excited to tell you about how AI Maestro is going to take care of a lot of the complexity and heavy lifting so that our clients can benefit from the digital transformation of AI. Well, first, enterprises are facing a sea of agents, and there's no way to know the ones that are relevant to the practical workflows and operating procedures. Agents are also not integrated with your enterprise applications like SAP, Salesforce, and Oracle that contain the context of users' actual work. This makes it difficult for agents to deliver your business outcomes. These brilliant agents you build are also stuck in sandboxes and can't be deployed into production due to the lack of enterprise governance and controls. And finally, after creating the agent, it takes ongoing effort and continuous improvement to ensure the agents keep performing to your business expectations. AI Maestro is the conductor that turns this agent cacophony into a symphony. How does it do this? With AI Maestro, you can reap the benefits of virtual teammates powered by agentic AI without having to do the complexity of the heavy lifting. AI Maestro lets you create agents in minutes and easily scale these agents in production. We provide cost-effective deployments and take care of enterprise security.